In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the ground stack on the Una. So we've got the Una already set up here. I've got the ground conversion kit here, which we're going to lay out directly underneath the Una. Easy to do with the tail underneath the tail and then the wider end at the head end. Once we've laid out the ground conversion kit, we can peg that on all three sides. Ground kit's down, you can get the double bubble, and we're looking for the zip to be on the lower side. So I'm going to get the top side and find the tail corner, there it is, and clip and cinch that tight. Then run my hand along here to find that front top corner. Clip that there and cinch that one tight, and then one last corner. Cinch that tight. So then you take the elasticated webbing and you clip it into the buckle on the the opposite side, and cinch that up tight until you get a good seal on each corner. So in the corners of the ground conversion kit, you'll find the zip heads. Just put them to the very end of the zip so they're together. And then on the double bubble, you'll find the slider part, and run that through both of the zip heads. And then you'll find that they easily zip together. So once you've got the double bubble clipped over on all corners and zipped onto the ground sheet and pegged out at the ends, there you've got your Una ground stack.